There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack in Octane Red Pearl. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO 6-piston front brakes, rear sport spoiler, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, power sunroof, competition suspension, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5634.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.